Alright, so we are going to Chipotle, which I can literally see from here. Oh, crap. So we're going to have to cut over into this lane. He's going straight, so... Got it? And we're just coming right in here. Oh, there's no shade parking. We have to park out in the sun. That sucks. How tragic. We're going to pull the... Okay, go for it. No, you're good. I got you. I'm not going to let you fall. Alright, you're good. Kickstand? Good girl. There you go. Maybe, okay, I gotta maybe not treat you like that, my bad. Okay, word, you don't have to tell me twice. I'm just gonna take everything in with me because it's hot out. We still got a little bit of time before the other guys get here. I'm not gonna leave my camera out in 90-degree and sunny heat. It's gonna cook pretty good, so let's go sit inside with the AC. Easy. I am blind. Deaf blind, yeah. A big deal though, I got this. What, this bike is the fat kid and that's tall? I feel like the H2 is the fat kid. I wanted to park in the shades, that way when we come back out here we don't have to cook our butts. Oh yeah, mine's just a little bit tighter. Honestly, probably the same size. I always try to go like something, either the shirt or the pants skinny, and then like something loose. I don't know, I always feel like it's like a fashion. You can't have both things tight, and you can't have both things loose. Giggity. Probably should have caveated that. If you, as long as you don't crash by 07, then you're welcome back here anytime. I don't know. Oh, okay, I thought you were gonna come over and slap the out of me. I was like, okay, I have this coming. I shouldn't have ran. I had it coming anyway, but...
Neutral!
Alright, Maddie?
No.
She found the N-word.
I'm good now.
Oh, we gotta find a parking spot. Here, pull off to the right. Pull off to the...
What? Why? Yeah, definitely pull right here. Why would we not pull?
I don't understand. Whatever.
Because look. The walking path over here. And look at that. Even closer. Assholes.
He's a real professional.
Got luck.
Oh, there's a lot of gravel here, Maddie. Watch out.
Gravel City.
I can move the bike if need be. I prefer that over dropping my bike. Please.
Ooh, it's toasty. I should have one long.
I would have you do it then.
Yeah.
Telling me, brother.
Yeah. What?
Hey, at least you can take it off.
Yeah, I'm going to.
At least a t-shirt underneath.
I got some engine ice in this John. Damn. She hot. Ugh. Here you go, madam. Oh. Well, they're over there, so. What are you guys doing over here?
Looking at the waterfall.
I'm overwhelmed by crowds.
Oh, yeah, me too. Not many places to stand and observe it anyway, so yeah. It's leaking a little bit.
Yeah, that's what I'm watching. Beautiful falls.
Well, what do you think? Worth the price of admission? Is it worth the price of admission? It's free.
I can take you to if you come to Minnesota, I can take you to the one where you can really walk like behind.
Yeah, this is the one cool thing in Cleveland. That's about it, so.
I got too much stuff.
I thought you were going to try to do what I'm doing.
I got no reason to have it on.
It's so hot in here. It's like a sauna. Feels like I just went swimming. It's a little moist. Once we get moving, it'll feel so nice. So good. So nice. That's not doing much for you, is it? Oh man, Simon's gotta be cooking, bro. How's that furnace feel? Hey, at least you look like Batman now. Whoa. Alright.
Yeah, let's just go to, I don't know, anywhere. That feels good.
It feels so much better. Never see cops at the gas station. That's weird.
I think it's inside.
Nope, he's right there.
Your plate is tucked.
Yeah, the wind caught it, I think. Weird.
That'd be a good spot.
Very funny how that works.
I'm sure you could probably get away with that since it's paper.
You can't. I mean, look how it sits naturally.
That's because you folded it for the past 2 days.
That's not just the past few days. When does it even expire? I didn't even check. Where's he going? Drink? Okay. You want to top off?
Well, it's your bike, so it's your choice.
Well, come here.
Why don't you just pull to the one right behind us?
Because this guy's just put in fresh gas. So I want to steal that 93, that yummy 9, or 92, I should say.
92 is crazy.
Where's 92?
Just step down.
I didn't turn mine off.
93.
Either way, anything above 90 are what these bikes are tuned for. Oh, I really needed it. This thing was dry.
Does it have a gas gauge?
No, it doesn't have a gas gauge. It's Ducati. Of course it doesn't have a gas gauge.
Mine doesn't either.
They don't expect people to actually ride these things. It's weird. Here, madam. Focus. Don't spill it.
It's like, what? I've never spilled gas.
A double chunk chocolate cookie.
Double chunk. Where'd Cash go, guys?
Yeah, dude, the smell of 92 immediately is nice.
What do you like, 92 or 93?
I like 97, dude. Give me some of that.
You need gas?
Probably gonna be like $1.
Spilling it where?
Then spill it.
Did you catch it on your hands?
Pulling it.
Oh.
Ah, I dropped my glove.
It was about to drip, but you kept pulling it.
I gotta put it away.
Oh gosh.
She's spilling. She's spilling. She keeps squirting. Ah! Jesus, someone's calling me. Hi.
Yo, what's up?
Oh, we're right by your house. You want us to come swing by and pick you up?
Nah, my girl's coming over in like an hour.
Oh, okay. Too good for us. I see.
What'd you just say?
Nothing.
Just repeat that real quick.
I ain't repeating shit. Have fun, buddy. Wear a condom.
You guys are going all the way from here to fucking Crocker?
Yeah, we're riding. We're real riders. We're not the fake kind.
All right, you boys be safe.
Yes, sir. I'll let them know. Are you happy? Are you excited? Yes. Okay, I'll take that as a yes.
Wait, ready?
What do you?
Dude, that is a decent sized moth. I'll give you that.
You're picking it up.
Oh my God.
I'll take a picture.
What are you doing?
Man.
Why isn't he flying away?
It's probably like
Dark gonna
overweight.
sponsor you, man.
Holy shit, dude, that thing's way bigger up close.
Dude, that thing's huge.
It's got a great personality.
Too slippery. It won't stick on there.
Dude, he's shit
Oh, he's on your wheel. On your wheel. No,
Don't do it. Don't do it.
Bro, he just shit on me.
Stop. Oh my
Look at
goodness.
this shit. He shit on me, bro. He shit on me.
Actually shit on him.
What?
That thing looks wicked.
This guy just came all over my face.
What?
Yeah, he did.
What did he say?
There's a white liquid all over the front of his
It actually shit on his face. That's crazy.
All over my face.
Back, huh?
I'm excited.
Oh, that's crazy.
Defense mechanism. Put him on the bike. Take him for a ride. Go, poof.
Wait, son, put your visor down. Try to see, trying to get a mirror here.
Could have just asked me to get it. I would have wiped it up for you. Get it sanitize.
First time a guy came I'm not finishing that sentence.
You got jizzed on by a moth.
Yeah, that's wild, dude.
I actually have no idea where I'm going. So
I got left. Bro, like, what was that? Was that, like, he was like, I'm trying to grab it. God, Oh yeah, we're not gonna move after that car being in front.
You're supposed to hit a balance point, which slows it down to a point. You always wheelie as soon as you see the other car's brake lights come on. That's the perfect time.
that's where you just
Best time to do it.
start cranking that hog.
Yeah. You just full send it right in the back of the CRV right there.
That smells like goose poop, doesn't it?
And no, it's probably
Hey.
the moth jizz they used to have in their line. The moth cum.
The moth come.
Bro, that was weird. That was a weird thing for that moth to do.
That was a weird thing for that moth. Pass.
It'll pop right up.
Wow.
Oh, I think this bike's overheating. That's cool. Hello? Can we just appreciate the nice sunset real quick? Hello? Ryan's taking a picture. It's all that moth jizz getting to his head. What?
Can't stop.
Look how classy that thing is. That thing's a boat.
Good.
Yeah, that's like something cozy though. I like that. Look at that.
That
Gas under $3.
Yeah.
So you know it's an election year. Yeah, you go in front. You're too fast.
Well, they just got the green light 2 times.
What?
That is wild.
Here, pull up. We're gonna make the car behind us activate. Come on. We're gonna activate the light here.
She's confused.
That doesn't matter. She did exactly what I wanted her to do.
Now they're gonna get the turn signal. We're never gonna go.
Well, they're getting the turn signal, but we should activate it now. This bike is getting very hot. It's a Ducati. The exhaust, the header's right next to my leg, so it's a little... There we go.
Have fun.
Oh, it is getting chilly.
Oh my gosh.
So I put the hoodie on. Yeah, go ahead, Ryan.
Next bet.
Remember when Ryan used to live here?
Yeah.
That was nice for real. Not a nice place. He was paying, I think, like $800 a month in rent. I was like, oh my god, that's so good
Yeah.
for that size of house. No, it's not that one. I think it's.
I always.
It was this one, this blue one. It's too much money over here. That house is like $400,000.
Cold, cold, cold. It's gonna be freezing on the highway. It's only 78, but it feels so cold for some reason.
Because we're used to fucking 90-degree and sunny all day.
It's a warm pocket.
Warm jacket.
Oh my god.
What?
Alright, buddy, get home safe.
Yeah.
You just can't do it when the sun's up.
Good ride, good ride. Thank you for not dropping my bike.
Don't jinx it.
Oop, she got a little wet.
Well, you can't prevent it.
Yeah, that's alright.
How'd that happen?
Water.
The seat?
Yeah,
Looks like your finger just seared on it. How'd that happen?
I did that.
Oh.
I was like, oh, I got a little wet. So did mine. Anyway, if you guys want to stick around and watch more videos, make sure you guys subscribe, like the video, and stick around, because we're going to be doing a lot more content. Bye now.